good morning, and a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn how to use and cal. Let's start. So this is cal. Here we have all the buttons, and here we have a screen. Here we have a small cupboard where we can put money. This is where we put the notes, and we use the coins. Let me put it down. Next, and this is I'm showing the cal which are in the supermarket. So this is a small thing. You check like this. That you check the stuff like this by pressing this button. Okay. So let me teach how to use these buttons. Okay. First, before that, I'll tell you all a little sums so that it will be easy. Okay. These we have the buttons. We place this on, and you can line and see. We press that, then we get a 0 in the screen, and then we get 1. We can see a small 1 here. Plus, the plus doesn't come. 1, and we put equals, and the answer comes here. So, like that, the cal helps us to check the amount. So, let's start again. To off, we can press this off, and here we have some collection of things, and here we have a small numbers and all. So now if you want to, if there's a hard question like 100 and plus 100, you can just do the cal. Let me show you how to use a cal for that type of question. You on this and you get a 0. You remember? After that, you press the number you want. I want 100, so I press 1. Each time you press a number, this part light on. See this light coming? That light on each time. Then you press this plus button. See, I have a plus button here. You press that plus, but the plus doesn't come. Remember? Then again you press 1, 0, 0, and equals, and the answer comes 200. See? That's how to use and cal for a difficult question. So, I hope you have learned something from this lesson. So, thank you for listening, and have a good day. Bye.